It is a matter of great pleasure for me to join this MRR Nature Cure institution for purpose of treatment. I had no idea of this institution, but on joining this and staying here for a period of 10 days, I was able to get very good idea about what this nature cure consists of. This institution, which is started by very young doctors who are well trained in nature cure science, as a matter of fact, is not only good but gives pleasure and gives an insight into the entrepreneurial capacities of the young doctors who have joined here. The young doctors are not only qualified but trained over and above those things. They possess all the qualities that a doctor should possess, namely patience to hear, patience to talk, patience to have an idea of the difficulties of the people who join this institution. Next paragraph. I joined this institution only when I got instigated by my son. After joining here, I came along with my wife and had treatment. The treatment that was given to me for what is known as this?
Knee pain.
Knee pains, joint pains, and this waist pains is really good. And the therapy given to me has not only given relief but also given me what is known as mental pleasure for being relieved of that. It applies not only to me but my wife also expressed the same thing, and she felt the same relief, though not as much as my relief was executed, was felt. So not only this pain and other things. When I went round the hospital, I found people suffering not only from these aches and other things, other pains, other diseases, nervous diseases, suffering. The treatment they are affording as detailed in the what is known as this MRR Nature Cure pamphlet, namely acupuncture, aromatherapy, manipulative therapy, and what is known as diet therapy, hydrotherapy, therapeutic therapy, yoga are certainly to be appreciated. And in this age, when very important, not only very important, super importance is given to what is known as allopathy, is it not?
Allopathy. Allopathy.
Allopathy line of treatment. this allopathy treatment, we have got to encourage it. In addition to that, the entrepreneurial capacity of all the doctors who have joined here to make this success. Over and above these things, one thing I must tell specifically, the young doctors here are very courteous, talented. Over and above these things, they understand and try to comfort themselves and come to conclusion about the treatment that they give and everything. In these days, when allopathy, Ayurvedic are in great demand, this line of treatment also is worthy of trying by us. Having regard to the way in which this hospital has been formed, I wish the hospital every success and request everyone who comes here, who passes through here, to peep in and appreciate all the things that are good in the hospital and encourage this line of therapy. I once again pray God to help these youngsters. If I am not what is known as talking in a what is known as unwanted way or any other thing, I only request all the people who are associated with this institution to remember one thing that is very essential for success in life. That line I am quoting from Plato's Republic, that is Plato's Republic, to come up and to aim success. Those three words are work hard, be honest, and pray God. With this, I wish the institution all success. I thank this institution for having given me an opportunity to go treatment in this institution. I once again thank you. Thank you very much.